Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We are sunny and 41 degrees right now. We got Dark Bro, First first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. We got Robert second. We got Dark, Robert, Bender, Dark, King Noodle Toast, Dark, Robert, Richard. We got Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Richard, Giovanni, Yankee, Dark Bro, Richard, Giovanni, Richard, Dark Bro, Kenneth, guest name Dark Bro, CD Wit, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here this morning. Let's check the market. That's not the market. Come on now. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $6.88 today. All-time low is $6.52. Yes, we could hit an all-time low today, but we're floating around $6.89 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin sitting at the top right-hand side of the screen, sitting at 948 points per coin, treading water at 950 right now. GameStop, bottom right, 1506. We've got Bitcoin coming down a little bit today. $41,200 on Bitcoin. Gonna have to watch that one play out. But we got the NASDAQ up 0.15%. Just a slight gain on the day today. Dogecoin, 9.3 cents. Ethereum, $2,186. Shiba Inu coin, $949. Bitcoin, 41,242. We've got the SPY, 462. 396 on the QQQ, man. I'm telling you what, bear market's over. Nobody can call it a bear market anymore. We're at these all-time highs. So, stock market's at all-time highs, man. You literally cannot call it. 467 to 462 on the S&P 500. NASDAQ, you got the QQQ, 403 to 396. I mean, there's no more bear market, guys. That was the dip. I don't know if it's going to curl back over, but unfortunately, that was the dip. Mullen Auto, 1340. Sundial, sitting at $140. Netflix, 460. Highcroft Mining, 192. MPW, 468. Tesla, 234. Amazon, 146. And Apple, sitting at $193. $4 off the all-time highs of 197. But we're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen today and see what happens there. Let's see. Do we have a Fed meeting today? Fed meeting is tomorrow. The interest rate decision in the Fed meeting is tomorrow. Today, inflation data came out. Inflation data, I'm not going to pull it up, but inflation data last month was 3.2%. This month, it came in as expected at 3.1%. So, I mean, right in line with expectations, but 0.1% lower than the previous month. Tomorrow, we get the interest rate decision, and we get Jerome Powell. Talking tomorrow. And you know what? That might be okay, because if I'm here tomorrow, maybe I do a live stream of Jerome Powell talking, and that'll be good. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to live stream with the same schedule throughout the rest of the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if I can, I'm going to be going live. If I'm not home or whatever, just be tentative on the live stream schedule for the rest of the week here. So I'm sitting in the honorarium room staring at everything. I started everyone yelling, "You first." Dark Bro yells back, "Why?" I'm like, "Because they have not got into honorarium and are missing out." Well, he's in the HRM room right now. Do it, Kenneth. Whatever that means. I think I might have missed something in there. But yeah, dude, get him into honorarium. Right? I think yes. Richard, sunny and 22 here. 22 is colder than 41. 22 is very cold, man. I was on another tab until you scared the heck out of me. Well, that's what I'm talking about, Outdoor Smile. You better be paying attention then. If you're getting scared that easy, you got to be paying attention, man. What's up, bros? What's going on? J-Bones, Outdoor Smile, yo, Dark Bro, C-Do-It, Dark Bro. Oh, yeah, you guys are saying hi to each other. Now you're waking up. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now you're waking up. You guys know what to do. Giovanni says, so there's a new movie produced by a former president on a cyber attack on the U.S. on Netflix. How would a cyber attack affect crypto? Crap, dude. I don't know. I may have seen I did not see the movie, obviously, but I may have seen a clip about that. So how would a cyber attack affect crypto? Truly, it depends what the cyber attack is, okay? And I'll go through a couple scenarios. This is just kind of like fun speculation here and so on. If the cyber attack, like, completely destroyed the grid, okay, took out electricity, in that sense, if nobody had any electric, yes, there would be some people running solar panels, but I don't know, to what extent people would be able to keep up their infrastructure. Clearly, if they were on solar, clearly if the cyber attack did not take down their home, and clearly if they had Starlink or something that was unaffected by the infrastructure attack, they would still be able to make cryptocurrency payments. Like, they would still be up and running at that point. If it affected, mining facilities, it would obviously impact it in a very negative way. If it was a cyber attack focused on like financial institutions, and China or anybody else went in there and had a cyber attack on banks, clearly banks could potentially, let's just go all out and say, be destroyed. The only real tradable currency at that point would be crypto or cash. And if banks are dead and people don't trust cash, cryptocurrency at that point would be the only option. So theoretically, man, it all depends on what type of a cyber attack. We could go over probably 100 different scenarios of what these cyber attacks would look like. 50 of them being good, 50 of them being bad for crypto. So I don't know which one the movie necessarily talks about right there. But I guess it would depend on what type of cyber attack as to whether or not it would destroy crypto or whether or not it would really help it out. Discord link invalid. Discord link is always invalid, man. Let me get you a... No. Let me get you a real one here. If you guys want to join the Discord, I will post it in the chat right. What on earth? Where is my chat box? There's my chat box. Alright, if you guys want to join the Discord, the link is right there. Guest name. What's going on, Pika Power? Good morning. Pika, how you feeling? Are you feeling any better? It's been a while since you said you were sick there, but I do hope you're feeling better. Let me know. It was always colder in Duluth, Minnesota. Yeah, well, it is. I could imagine. Minnesota does get very cold. Please whisper good morning next time. Good morning next time. Good morning next time. Did that do something for you, Outdoor Smile? It's a little weird, dude, that you're requesting I whisper good morning next time. Whatever, man. I'll make you guys happy no matter what it takes. When they held the U.S. power grid hostage and demanded Bitcoin. Well, Robert, there you go, man. Like, that would be a pretty good cyber attack. I have to see the movie, but if government falls, cash would do no good, right? Well, it would depend on what the people would want. So theoretically, yeah, dude, if the government literally falls and there's no hope of it ever being restored, some people would still probably try to get as much cash as possible, right? Like, if you think that the government's going to be gone and you're like, well, my cash is worthless, I could easily say, well, just give it to me. And then you might be dumb enough to give me all your money. And then 6 months down the road, the government's restored, and I'm sitting on everybody's money because I was simply willing to ask for it, and you guys gave it to me. So yeah, if it was destroyed forever, sure, the dollar would be worthless. But it all depends. Is there an update about Luna Classic? Kulish Ishan, man. There's a couple updates. Terra Luna Classic right now sitting at about 17,000 points per coin. Doing exactly what we thought when it would fall below the 20,000 point per coin mark. Terra Luna Classic is technically going to attempt the... Holy smokes. Oh, boy. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, Giovanni. I didn't even know that Celestia was still pulled up here, dude. But this week, we were sitting here. We looked at it yesterday. You know, you're wondering, it's testing that 11. We said if it breaks 11, you're going to be much better off holding. I don't know if you're still holding or not. But, dude, right now, I mean, theoretically, just this little blip up here at 13 is your only technical resistance. This coin is looking very, very good right now. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get into this coin now. I'm sitting here waiting for a stupid pullback, and there's no pullback in sight. So you did amazing getting in. I don't know if you got out or not, but definitely broke out of that $11 mark and began to run a little higher. Terra Luna Classic, though, sitting at 17,000 points per coin, It is on its way down at the moment. Next level of support is going to be 16,000 points per coin. It touched 16,000. It did dip down to 16,000 points per coin yesterday on a candle, but obviously came back, or on a wick, but obviously came back up. So sitting around 17,000 points per coin right now. Volume is fading a little bit. It's still very high compared to where it was last month. $168 million is a 50% decline from yesterday. It's got $1 billion market cap right here at 17,670 points per coin. But the only proposal out there right now is once again going after that 800 million USTC wallet, wanting to go in there and just destroy all of those holdings. Thank you. Taking my ears on a great way. Outdoor smile. I absolutely believed that I would. Yes, not sick, but at work. Pray for me. Sometimes you just got to pick your poison, I guess, Pika. You got to pick your poison. Sick or at work? Sick or at work? Yeah, man, I'm telling you. So, I'm sitting in the honorarium room, staring at Clay Bro, yelling, "You first." Dark Bro yells back, "Why?" I'm like, Clay Bro has not got into honorarium, and he is missing out on the gains. Oh, that does make a little bit more sense, Kenneth. That does make a little bit more sense right now. And, yeah, honorarium, the liquidity pool is about to be bought up on that one, guys. You guys are absolutely killing honorarium at the moment. And if you haven't seen it, it's still green. It is still green. I believe he's at 1203? Where's he at on honorarium? 1202. Darn it, man. I knew I was close. Honorarium sitting at 1202 points per coin. A 3.79% gain on the day. $1.5 thousand in volume over the last 24 hours. Already sitting on a $126,000 market cap. $12.2 thousand in the liquidity pool. And the buy transactions and sell transactions over the last 24 hours basically even here. Some people coming in and taking some profit, and then some people buying that little dip up. So, yeah, dude, honorarium is still looking solarium. That means solid, but with the honorarium ending on there. So, yeah, dude, honorarium still looking very good. Still holding Celestia. I listen. There you go, Giovanni. But Giovanni, man, you listen, but you made your own decision, all right? Don't start to believe that I told you don't sell it or anything like that. You made the decision. That's just what I was looking at on it. But I'm going to be honest with you, man. I was actually hoping that it would pull back, right? Because I'm not in it. I was actually hoping that it would pull back. You clearly were hoping that it would go up, and it did go up. So it's working out very well for you right now, man. VIT, Vegas Inu. We can pull up Vegas Inu in a second here. We haven't looked at that one in a while. Old Rounder, make it boom, baby. Do it. Hey, Peak, Old Rounder, yes. Clay has already... No, Roulette, I don't own any HRM at the moment. I did not buy in yet. I did not buy into Honorarium at the moment. I'll be back momentarily. Dark Bro, absolutely, man. Kenneth is right. But did you ask if Clay's dad... Nah, they didn't ask if Clay's dad scooped up. Now, how the heck do you know... I'm not even going to ask Outdoor Smile any more questions. How the heck do you know that my... Oh, boy. 10 extra cash, bro. Outdoor Smile's right on that. Oh, jeez. Yeah, man. K-King is available on Pancake Swap. Yes, it is. Who the heck is talking about old... Listen... My dad can't influence your guys' decisions in any way. I can influence your guys' decisions in some sort of a way. So, Outdoor Smiles, with all due respect, my friend, it's none of your business if my dad has honorarium or not. And I don't know if he wants me telling you if he's got honorarium or not. Let's see here. K-King said the slippage to 12% when buying honorarium and pancake swap, sir. Especially if it's moving around big. Yeah, dude. Honorarium. Who the heck's been talking to this guy? Let's see here. Hello, Clay Bro. Hashtag High Rollers. Samuel, what's going on? Samuel, how you doing, man? Suzuki. Chart looks bad to me for XRP. I'll buy some other coins. There you go, Old Rounder. Not bad at all, man. At least you're making it. I love the fact that you guys are making your decisions now, and you're backing it up, man. I can see companies using Celestia because being able to use the best parts of all these different blockchains seems beneficial and inexpensive. Oh yeah, Giovanni, me too, man. That's why I'm interested in getting into Celestia. Okay? It's very difficult for me to justify getting into Celestia, though, after it's ran up, 400% over the last month like it has. And that's why I am hoping for a little bit of a pullback. I truly believe if Bitcoin pulls back pretty hard off this $45,000 number, then Celestia should pull back decently hard off of that. I was hoping $10, but now $12 price point that it's at. So I do think it's still going to be dictated a little bit, but I'm 100% on board with you on that one. Dude, during the next bull market, over the next couple years, as these layer 0 blockchains, like they call them, as these layer 0 blockchains gain more and more and more in popularity, yeah, they could be doing 20, 30, 50, 40 billion dollars in total market cap. And you could be sitting on, like, you know, I could be making a big mistake right now not getting in, and then just watching it ride from a $2 billion to a $40 billion market cap. Could 20x. So I might be a little bit greedy or a little bit aggressive or stingy trying to wait for that pullback, because I do believe it's going to go higher than the current 1.8 billion it's sitting at. It's just, dude, I'm on it with you on that one, man. I'm on it with you on that one. I think it's going to be doing very well over time. HRM whale stacking up more, opposite of shaving. Well, stack, never stop stacking. Traded my XRP for low market cap stuff. Bender, not a bad idea if we're in an aggressive bull market, right? If we are in a very confident time, people love to buy up those low market cap coins, and of course they go up much faster and much higher than the higher market cap coins. Suzuki, I have no idea what my dad owns and what my dad doesn't own. I will say, however, I've discussed honorarium quite a bit, probably about 5 or 6 times a day. So, yeah, stop asking me what other. I don't ask you guys everything that your dad owns. The heck are you doing, man? Too many honorarium conspiracies already. Who owns multiple wallets? Suzuki, your parrot has a new home. I don't know what Suzuki's parrot is doing in here, but he's always got a home with me, man. I regret none of these decisions thus far. Bender, talking about the low market cap coin decisions. Very good, man. Very good. And you know what? I don't even know if you really should. If you honestly make that decision, if you can justify it to yourself, yeah, sure, you could kick yourself, but it wasn't a gamble. It wasn't like a blind decision to make. You made it for a reason. Some of them will be good choices. Some of them will be bad choices. Should you really regret the bad decisions? I mean, if they were legitimate decisions you made based on reasoning, I would say no. Don't. It just turned out to be wrong, man. Let's see here. Clibro is a real one. The way he asks them questions, relentless in the pursuit of truth. Yeah, Samuel, a little bit of clarity, man. That's everybody deserves a little bit of clarity, right? Everybody deserves a little bit of clarity. Look at Siacoin. It is at 0.075. The all-time high was 11 cents. I believe it will roll up to 30 or 40 cents this time. Richard will pull it up. Outdoor Smile. His dad's honorarium fund. Outdoor Smile. Look at this dude causing trouble already. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, for my father's honorarium fund. I will be sure, he's probably listening right now, I will be sure to let him know that he's got an honorarium fund starting right there. And I will say thank you on his behalf, man. I'll say thank you on his behalf. Outdoor Smile, thank you. And from my father, thank you very much for the honorarium fund. Hey bro, so Luke, I know I should have shaved a little few days ago. What's your chart looking like? Up or down, buy or sell? Right at the moment, I mean, sell into 16 is what I'm seeing at the moment. Clearly, don't listen to me. Make up your own mind. But right now, selling into 16. You're sitting at 17.5. If you look at the monthly chart, it's coming down. There's no bullish pressure right now. It's all bearish pressure. Question is, where's that bearish pressure potentially going to consolidate? Your first level is going to be in this area right here, 15 to 16. So I would say, yeah, bearish pressure into 15, 16. If you want to hold it, I mean, that's another 10% rough decline right there. So if you're okay holding for a 10% decline, hold for the 10% decline. Why would you want to hold for a 10% decline, though? To me, looking at the chart, it's going to bounce off 15, 16. It would be, let me pose the question this way. Why would it bounce right now? There's no technical indicator that says Lunk should be bouncing right now. Bitcoin's falling, the rest of the market's falling today, and Terra Luna Classic is on its way down with support coming in this 15-16 area. Then, I mean, if it does bounce off that, you can play to the upside. Below that, I'm looking at 12.5 again. So right now, dude, pressure's too bearish to say go out and buy it. But of course, if you believe, you just want to start accumulating it down into that 15-16 because you do believe it's going to bounce, completely up to you, but I'd be waiting for the bounce to happen afterwards. Dad, bro. Oh, gosh. We got Suzuki! Suzuki's on the chart right now. Suzuki says, Dad's honorarium fund. Suzuki, don't worry, you didn't send it twice, man. I replayed it because I missed it the first time. And Dark Bro, or Dad Bro, not Dark Bro, Dad Bro. Thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat, Dad Bro, giving that official thank you to Outdoor Smile right there, and a little peach. Because is the shaved peach better than the fuzzy peach? The peach was a little too fuzzy yesterday, so I had to shave it down a little bit. Dad Bro, thank you very much. Suzuki, thank you very much, both of you guys, for the super. Oh, and I want to say, Suzuki, man, yeah, it was a little over $60. Okay, it was a little over $60. So I don't know what the exact percentage was that came through on that on the purchase there. But yeah, dude, the Shiba Inu coin accumulated burns right now. And as soon as this commission clears, meaning Suzuki doesn't go and make any returns, or the people who bought on Amazon this month, they don't make any returns, and Amazon clears and releases that money, so far we have accumulated 14,847,089 Shiba Inu coin to be sent to the burn wallet. And Suzuki is a major contributor to that as well, because I believe yesterday was about was like lower 10s or something. So Suzuki, man, thank you very much for using that link. Literally anything that you guys, your families, your friends, anything that they buy on Amazon has nothing to do. I mean, clearly, if you want to buy the Shib merch, that's going to contribute, yes. But anything that you guys buy on Amazon generates a commission, and that commission is going to burn Shiba Inu coin as soon as Amazon releases it. So thank you very much, Suzuki, for using it. Anybody else using it, man, thank you guys very much for that. And I hope you continue to do so, because I'm excited about this, man. It's literally no money, no extra money out of anybody's pocket. Amazon essentially splits their profits and splits their well, it's not commission that they're really making, it's profit for them, but they distribute that to anybody who drives traffic to Amazon. So if the traffic comes from my link, they consider that, my sale, and then that's going to be used towards burning Shiba Inu coin. So I love it, man. Thank you very much. And dude, we're going to be burning some decent amounts here. If everybody starts kicking up and using, and I did look yesterday, gift cards do not count, but groceries actually do count. So I don't know if anybody buys groceries on Amazon, but those actually do count for commission as well. Hey bro, kidding. It's weird when people ask me what and how much I'm holding. Just weird. It's like someone asking how much I have, or someone asking how much they have in their bank accounts and which banks they keep it at. And you know what? I really don't have a problem telling you guys what coins I do own. I don't tell you how much I own. Right? I don't want to go out there and sincerely, everybody says, well, you're an influencer. But here's what I want to influence you guys to do, because nobody influences my decisions. I look to a lot of different sources, but I truly believe that, I agree with these guys. I completely disagree with these guys. So I can be in agreement with people, absolutely. But I truly feel like, okay, based on what I know, I'm making up my decision. And some decisions are great. They work out awesome. Some decisions are stupid, man. And I'm like, why the heck did I do that? So that's just what I want you guys to do. If I can influence you to do anything, it's to think for yourself. Sometimes it's proof, man. Evidence is sometimes we make good decisions, sometimes we make bad decisions. But if I can influence you guys to make your own decision 100% of the time, that's what I want to do. So that's technically why I don't talk about how much I own of each thing and actual dollar numbers, because if you guys feel like, holy smokes, man, this dude is committed, and I am not, right? I am not the 30% holder. There's somebody that owns like 30% of honorarium. If you guys figured out that was me, you might be much more willing to buy in. I don't want that type of influence. I want you guys to make your decisions 100% of the time. And like I say, we're going to win together and we're going to lose together. We're going to make good decisions together. We're going to make bad decisions together. But we are each going to make our own decisions. So Suzuki, heck yeah, man. You already know what the deal is. Let's see here. Pig without 3.14 pi is 9.8 g. G equals the force of gravity. Okay, so pig without pi, 3.14, is 9.8 g. G is the force of gravity, 9.8 meters per second. What? Okay, so pig without pi is just g, which is gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second. Okay. Were we going somewhere with this, or is this just Frank being a physics nerd right now? What do we got going on here? Frank, you just having fun with that, or are we trying to decipher the universe with pig minus the pi? Why do I hear all these great XRP news articles, like a German bank now using XRP, but I never see the market move for XRP? Giovanni, excellent question. The best way that I can answer it, and I don't know if this is the correct answer or not, but the best way that I can answer it is that because they are using it, it doesn't necessarily mean that they are buying it. Okay? So, for example, banks, institutions, businesses, whatever, whoever's using XRP, what they're doing is they're using it to denominate their international trade. So instead of going out and taking euros in Germany and sending them to the United States and converting them to dollars, that's a long process. It takes several days to do it, and the stupid bank fees are very, very large. What they simply do is they go out there. Maybe they get €1 million, just to make the numbers easy. They go out there, they take €1 million, buy €1 million worth of XRP, and then that XRP gets transferred over to an institution in the United States because they're sending their money to the U.S. And then immediately upon arrival in the United States, the XRP is sold off for U.S. dollars. So what that did, and let's just say that it all happens as fast as that transaction can take place. So pretend it's as efficient as a smart contract or whatever. $1 million bought, 2 seconds later, $1 million sold. It doesn't necessarily create a holder of XRP. It creates transactional volume in XRP that should, equate to what it's buying and selling almost immediately. Maybe they bought 10 million XRP and then immediately sold 10 million XRP. Simply, they bought it in euros and sold it in dollars. So they benefited greatly in that transaction because they were able to transfer that $1 million immediately. They were able to transfer that $1 million for extreme minimal fees, and it beat anything else that they could do. But it doesn't necessarily mean that they are buying and holding XRP. Hopefully that helps. I really don't know if that is the end-all, be-all answer of why we can see so much XRP adoption, but no real surge in XRP price. But that's the way that my mind works with it, is you have to look at the utility of XRP, and it's not necessarily a buy and hold for these institutions. It's a transfer for these institutions. When ad. Did you not get an ad? Did you guys get one? All right. Sweet. Influence to be independent. Kenneth Hooten. Absolutely, man. I see it all the time. You scroll through shorts, you scroll through TikToks, you scroll through all these things, man, and everybody's got this just crowd think, this crowd mentality. If they're doing it, it must be right. I should do it. If they're jumping off the side of a cliff down to their demise, I should jump off the side of the cliff. If these people are hating this group of people, well, maybe I should hate this group of people. If these people are, I've seen way too much of that. Holy smokes, man. Be your own just do it, man. Be your own person and stop funneling into and just eating what everybody else says to do, man. Golly, boom. I own trillions and trillions of air molecules. Yes, dude, roulette wheel is freaking rich. Dude, if you could just translate those air molecules into your own token, roulette wheel is going to be big, man. So I mentioned yesterday, my son went to school with his bro hoodie, and his first new girlfriend, it took the hoodie from... What the heck is going on? Suzuki's going to have to win another hoodie for his kid now. Oh, man. And I asked him to get it back today, but he will probably lose the new girlfriend. Suzuki, man. Nah, dude. Nah, let her keep the hoodie. Maybe you'll win tomorrow. Maybe you'll win another hoodie tomorrow. Pretty sure it was a medium though. If you win it tomorrow, you might have to wait a week because I am waiting on some mediums to come in to do some giveaways. That's awesome. Suzuki, man, that means it was a good hoodie. So now, not only do you have Amazon drivers wearing 2 bro hoodies out there, you're still left with a bro hoodie, but now you got a random girl walking around with a bro hoodie as well. Oh, man. Suzuki is single-handedly clothing everybody in his area with bro hoodies. You really don't want to make bad decisions with me. Well, Pudgy, I really don't want to make a bad decision that ever goes against you, right? I wouldn't want to do that. I don't care if you make a bad decision, right? If you make a bad decision, dude, you'll learn from that. You'll grow from that. You'll be able to overcome that. I'm fine with that. If you make a bad decision for you, I wouldn't want to make a bad decision for you, though, right? I wouldn't want to make a bad decision that affects you or any decision that affects you in a negative way. Because then, dude, here's what's going to happen, and I fall victim to this a lot, okay? You start to do something stupid, I want to do something stupid back, right? I do, man. I do. I've got that desire. You come against me, what do I want to do? I want to come against you. And in the heat of the moment, sure, dude, I probably would. Absolutely. But what does that do? When you stand back and you begin to think about it, 2 wrongs don't make a right. All of mom's dumb advice that she's ever given you in your entire lifetime starts to actually become true. And no 2 evils don't make a truth either. No 2 lies make a truth. So, yeah, dude, it's a perpetual cycle that, I want to. Oh, dude, if you're doing me wrong, I'm going to want to do you wrong too. But somebody has to break that cycle. Otherwise, you and I are going to be going at it forever. Somebody has to break that cycle. And I'm telling you right now, dude, I know for a fact there's 54 bros in here right now. Dude, I don't want to, right? I feel what exactly Pudgy's talking about right there. I don't want to. But somebody's got to break it. And I know for a fact you're strong enough to break that cycle. I know for a fact that you guys can do that. Dude, you're the bros, man. You're set so far apart from everybody else, it's not even funny. I know you can break that cycle. Yeah, that's why I'm so proud that you guys are the way you are, man. I love it. My $120,000 investment all the way down to $58,000. Hopefully my honorarium investment will make me a millionaire. K-King, baby. Let's get started. And you know what? I hope the honorarium does make all of you guys millionaires. You're absolutely going to have to hold if you ever want to reach that status. Honorarium's not going to make you a millionaire by next month or anything. But, yeah, dude, I hope Dark Bro can absolutely rip that coin to the universe, man, and make it. No ad this time. That is the first. Giovanni, what the heck is going on? When did you come in here? We need to get you an ad. Not being independent lets you not blame yourself in BS instances. Oh, well, Giovanni, it lets you not blame yourself, right? But I'm going to blame you all day, dude. I'm going to blame you all day. You might think that you're getting yourself out of a situation by alleviating all the responsibility. Well, I did it because he told me to do it. Well, dude, I mean, that is like what a 4-year-old does. What kind of an adult says, I did it because he told me to do it? I did it because that's what they were doing. Dude, no. Yeah, maybe my nephew would say something like that, but you're a grown man, dude. You're a grown woman. You're not doing something because somebody else said to do it to alleviate your responsibility. Jeez, dude. Some got his hoodie stolen by his girlfriend. Facts on that, man. She likes it, must be a good one. Hey, bro, with you taking the next 3 days off, I'll hopefully break 20,000 by the time you come back next week. Boom! I will say this, Frank. I do plan. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go live. If I can, I'm going to be here. I just don't want you guys to set the expectations that I am guaranteed to be here or anything. It's going to be play it by ear, day by day, just to see what's going on, man. So, yeah. If you do, hit us up in the Discord, man. We want to celebrate with you, Frank. We want to celebrate with you if you do. How much bonus accumulated at this point? 1.3 million, I believe. Let's take a look at it. If something doesn't make any difference 5 weeks, months, or years down the road, it's not worth stressing or getting upset over. Yeah, Kenneth, dude, 100%. Cycle broken. Boom. Take it from Pika right there, ladies and gentlemen. Cycle is broken. My bad decisions are fun for me, but charges for most other people. Yeah, well, if they're fun for you, Pudgy, all right, let's keep it fun for everybody, I guess. Never break this cycle. We want drama. We need drama. I'm telling my dad on you, Outdoor Smile. I'm gonna tell my dad on you. You keep saying that. I'm telling him right now. Smashed it, Kenneth. Good. All right, I'm happy because we're holding that 120. Yeah, dude, and above that $100,000 market cap, and nobody's selling off. How is everybody? King Noodle Toes. I'm doing great, man. Why do I hear all these great Giovanni, did you hear my answer from before? I think maybe he did. Giovanni, let me know if you heard that answer from before, man. Highest was 145,000. Very nice. You guys are killing it. That they are, man. Finding some support at the $120,000 level. Yes. And hopefully it stays above the $100,000 level from here on out. Click. Give me financial advice on the Optimism network. Absolutely. Let's go take a look at it. Optimism network. Where are we? Is that just Optimism? Is that this one? Is that what you're looking at here with a $2 price point? Before we take a look at that, let me know if that's what actually the one you're looking at, because it doesn't say Optimism network on here. It just says Optimism. Let's see. What are the XRP burns? I actually have no idea, Giovanni. I don't know what the burns look like. I actually have no idea what any XRP burns look like or anything like that. I did hear the answer. Accidentally pushed cap. No problem. I just want to make sure you heard it, because I was going to give you a consolidated answer if you didn't hear it. I wasn't going to go into as much detail as I went in before. All right, Jay wants to see Optimism real quick, so let's take a look at Optimism real quick. Currently sitting at 2.28. It is $2.28. It is up. All right, so it's pretty volatile on the day so far today. It's up 1.25%, but it has risen roughly 10% and then declined back down 10% to essentially break even on the day today. So that is a very, very volatile move in Optimism. Well, on the week, it's doing phenomenal. You're seeing nearly a 30% weekly gain right here, but going from lows around $1.72 all the way. What is this? Oh my gosh. We will pick up the Optimism in just 2 seconds after I say, Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, for the amazing Queen Pika Power, whom we all love. She's amazing. And I hereby request a La Pika Pika and some authorized hydration for you, Clay Bro. Great things are coming for honorarium. Oh, they are, Dark Bro. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, better do this last one with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Absolutely, man. Really appreciate that. Thinking of J Bones once again for these bad boys right here. Dark Bro, Pika, you guys are absolutely awesome. I don't have to say it. You guys already know that. You guys, I want to know, this is not a rhetorical question. Don't be embarrassed to say yes or no. Did you guys do the La Pika Pika with me? Even if it was in your head. Did you do the La Pika Pika with me? Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that. Pika is amazing, man. And Dark Bro, I really appreciate it. Oh, my gosh. All right, so jumping back very quickly to what Jay was talking about with Optimism. As you guys answer, I need to know, even if you did it in your head, singing along, doing a little even if it was in your head, man, I got to know. Optimism is actually looking very well, or very good on the week so far here. On the month, Optimism was very stagnant and then began to move up. On the year, it is running into resistance in this area. So I would be slightly concerned about whether or not it's going to be able to break back up above this like 220 area and really maintain it. So where do you get that? You get that in this little area right here. Bouncing here, coming down and using it as support here, right in this area back in April, and then of course finally fell back down through it at the end of April of 2023 here. Since falling down, it's coming right back up and now testing that once again. So if it does not break this, you're probably coming back down and potentially testing $160 again. Nobody would want to see that. If you do break it, you might not have resistance until you get to about 275. So I don't know what the reason for this gain is, other than the fact that Bitcoin has been doing phenomenally over the last month and a half. Optimism could also be doing phenomenally over the last month and a half. With Bitcoin curling over, one would expect that you might see Optimism curl over as well. Giovanni, thank you. I'm an angel. Giovanni, thank you. I'm an angel. Giovanni, thank you. I'm an angel. Giovanni, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one. And we got ourselves a little bit of a king. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. Noodle Toast, man, thank you very much for the king. La picha picha, la picha picha. Yeah, King Noodle Toast likes Claybro's peach right there. We know he does. Noodle Toast, man, thank you very much for that. And hopefully you guys sung along with the little The pika is ingrained deep into my soul. Oh, Outdoor Smile, I know that you're not just doing it in your head. You're definitely doing it out, like in front of everybody. Who's slacking on the like button? Everybody's slacking on the like button. Every time you do the pika, I picture the Beetlejuice dance. Well, dude, you picture, listen, now every time you watch Beetlejuice, you're going to be picturing me doing La Pika Pika. Think about that, man. Shib devs pumping their 6th issue release instead of pumping Shiba Inu token. Yeah, Suzuki, I'm actually waiting on that because one of the things that they essentially passive-aggressively responded with was that you need to wait for the official document release. You need to wait for the official magazine release. If they don't address the current situation with Shibari and Burns in that magazine, holy smokes, man, they're just jerking us all along. So they absolutely better address the Shibari and Burns in the new issue of this magazine here. It's supposed to come out today. I don't know if it's come out yet during this live stream or not, but I know it did not come out prior to the live stream happening there. Let's see. You may have to sooner or later, Outdoor. Well, I feel like I need to apologize. You should never apologize for the La Pika Pika. Never for the La Pika Pika. It's like the best dance ever, man. Ken's Dojo Mojo Casa House. I like it, Kenneth. I like it a lot. That's a good one. But you're not talking about yours, Ken. You're talking about Ken's actual Mojo Dojo Casa House. Yeah. Yeah, that's from the Barbie movie. I went and saw that with my... Oh, jeez. Don't give me. I'm not gonna talk about the Barbie. I didn't like the Barbie movie. I'm not talking about it. Shibarium plagiarizers. Kenneth, that's what they are, man. Don't worry, everyone. When Honorarium hits $1, we're going to create Bro Resort, and Clay Bro will perform the La Pika Pika live for all of us. Dance, monkey, dance! You guys see New Girl? Yeah, that's what I'll be doing all day long in the Bro Resort, man. The La Pika Pika on repeat all day long. And I promise you, if you guys don't do it, I'm going to have an unlimited supply of maracas, and I'm going to be throwing them at you if you are not dancing along with me. Suzu, bro. That's Suzuki, man. Thanks for the reminder. Absolutely. What's going on, Kombu? Glad to have you in here, man. Was wondering where everybody was. Suzuki doesn't even know it, or Kombu doesn't even know what time it is, man. Oh, gosh. You know what time it is? It's time to get... Yeah, you guys know what time it is. Let's see. I'm more interested. When is the new PS5 Call of Duty Shib Edition coming out? I would imagine the new Call of Duty Shib Edition PS5 is coming out when the metaverse gets finished. And apparently Marcy Jastro has no idea how to answer people anymore. So probably never. Suzuki Stolen Hoodie! Thank you very much for the super chat. Help! Help! Help me! I'm Suzuki's hoodie! Thank you. That wasn't me. You couldn't see my mouth moving. Help me! That wasn't me. That was the missing hoodie. You guys, get on with it, man. Suzuki's missing hoodie needs a little help. Somebody go get that hoodie right now. Nothing like watching the Barbie movie in purple. I did watch the Barbie movie in purple pants. I did. I watched the Barbie movie in purple pants. And the best part of the Barbie movie was the dude that was sitting in the front and like 3 seats to the left of us. That dude, I don't know why he was having such a great time, but that dude was having a blast. Every quote from that movie made that dude not just laugh, but crack up. I don't know why that guy was having such a good time, but that dude was having a blast, man. And that was the best part of the movie for me, was just to see that dude just cracking up at literally every single scene. I didn't think they were that funny, but I really liked the way that guy was laughing at all of them. Let's see. Barbie's not buying Honorarium, but Ken is. Not Dark Bro, man. Kenneth, absolutely. Can you look at the QQQ and AMC for good old time's sake? Absolutely. King Noodle Toes, man. QQQ's actually doing phenomenally, man. QQQ is up 30% today. 30%'s not a phenomenal run, but look at the daily. We're hitting an annual high. Look at the weekly. We have officially erased the entirety of this bear market. The QQQ at this green line right here is sitting right at these all-time highs. The all-time highs on the QQQ, 403. The current price of the QQQ, 396. This is not even, what is this here? This is not even a full 2% decline. We are not even 2% off of the all-time high. I don't know if it's going to run into resistance here and then fall back pretty hard. I don't know what comes next for the QQQ. I know that this was a brutal decline that took place over the last couple of years here, and we have completely erased that decline. We have regained essentially 98% of those losses. We are basically 2% off of this all-time high. So the QQQ, man, is looking strong. The overall market is no longer, according to prices here, in a bear market. We are getting ready to test all-time highs once again. AMC, on the other hand, AMC up here. AMC at 692. It's down 2.5% today. It's not looking good, man. AMC is at an all-time low. The all-time low is essentially 65 cents. We are currently sitting at 69 cents. Not much of a difference there. After Adam Aaron's dilution and all of that came into play, AMC went from $50 a share. After hours, it was trading at like $80 a share and dropped 90% to where it's at right now. That was after having dropped essentially 90% from the highs that we had seen in 2021. So Adam Aaron comes into play in this area right in here. Trades brings him on for an interview, and somehow he deceives all of the apes, claiming that he is the silverback. And he has erased 90, I think it's 98 from 393. 98% of AMC shareholders' value has been wiped out because of Adam Aaron. 98% of the worth of AMC shares held by retail investors wiped out since Adam Aaron was introduced onto the scene. So AMC not looking too good, but it may be setting up a bottom in the $6.50 to the $6.90 range that we're at right now. QQQ, on the other hand, is getting ready to test all-time highs. So yeah, dude, the market is actually looking good. Bitcoin, guys, watch out for it. Bitcoin getting ready to test. Are these some new intraday lows here? Yeah, I don't know when it tested this area. I think that might have been last night. So Bitcoin may, yeah, that was last night. Bitcoin may be getting ready to retest some recent lows down in this $40,000 area, but it is currently hitting some intraday lows at $40,800. So please just keep your eye on what Bitcoin is doing. If it begins to come down and falls through that 40,000, I would expect altcoins to be coming down as well and falling even lower. Somebody asked me about the total accumulation on Bone. We're going to address that real quick. The total accumulated Bone getting ready to be burned by Shibarium is sitting at, let's let this refresh, 1,396,589.27 Bone. Right now we are doing 26 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents every 5 seconds in accumulation. That's still a lot of money, okay? And on a daily basis, if these blocks ran every 5 seconds, you got 24 hours, yes, times 60 minutes in an hour, times, what do you got? 12 blocks of 5 seconds every minute. 12. You get 17,280 blocks per 24-hour period, times the 25 cents. We would still be accumulating roughly $4,000 per day in Shibarium burns. That's excellent. We would still be able to burn at least once a week if these guys, of course, let us accumulate and then burn once we pass that $25,000 threshold. If the numbers drop below that, like you see some 19 cents, 18 cents and stuff there, it's going to be lower than that. But guys, you know, I don't know how long or sustainable these numbers are truly going to be. Because if this is WolfSwap, if this is one project minting SRC20 tokens on Shibarium, they're going to run out of tokens to mint, or they're going to run out of money to spend. That is why I believe it is absolutely important that we use something like Amazon to leverage our everyday purchases to burn Shiba Inu coin. These numbers are a lot smaller, right? Clearly, with the handful of us that are using Amazon to leverage Shiba Inu coin burns, we've accumulated roughly 15 million Shib over, I don't know, it's been what, like 8 days maybe? We've accumulated this amount of Shib over like an 8-day period. That is excellent, but it can be so much higher, and it's unlimited because nobody is spending any money to do it. So don't be afraid to use that Amazon link that's in the description of the videos to burn Shiba Inu coin as well. I would love to exceed Shibarium burns with those Amazon burns. I would love to be I would love to be doing the 20 cents every 5 seconds. 22 cents, 22 cents, 21 cents every 5 seconds in Amazon burns as well. Guys, that would essentially double what Shibarium is doing. And it's no extra money for anybody. These guys are spending that money to get those burns right there. Dark bro, I don't know where these ads come from, man. Thumb of Justice thinks everything's a crime. That he does, man. I don't want to hear that during a prostate exam. I don't know what I missed there. Giovanni, Lewis member, 1 year. So if Vitalik got the Shiba that wasn't used to return to him from India, did he not burn it? No, he did not burn that additional. I don't know what he actually did with that. I don't know if he donated it to somebody else or what he did with it. I don't think he's sitting on it and holding it, but I'm not exactly sure. I wonder if tokens here got their honorarium tokens. See what I did there? I do see what you did there, Suzuki. Not bad, really. 4,000 per day seems more sustainable. If they're bringing in a revenue, right? I don't know if they're making $4,000 a day or not, but if they can, dude, $4,000 a day is stinking phenomenal, man. It really is. The weird part is those transactions that you guys are seeing, 457, 327, 385, 500, 479, the total daily transactions of 7.8 million transactions today. Those numbers are exactly the same as they were last week. But last week before the fork, the burn numbers were $25, $25. The hard fork that they did must have made Shibarium more efficient and didn't lower the priority fee, but it certainly lowered the burn fee. So I think the hard fork was a bad idea, but that's just because I want to see more Shib burn. I will never buy another token ending in Inu or associated with an Inu ever again. Darn it, man. I was thinking about starting a bro Inu. I guess that's a bust. I'm kidding, Suzuki. Where'd Giovanni go? Seriously, bro, that was an accident. I don't know. Giovanni, are you still in here? I don't know if he's in here or not. Didn't know we were having that kind of a live stream. Neither did I, man. Should there be a disclaimer? There definitely should. Suddenly have a need to buy a Toyota SUV. I would imagine that you do there, roulette wheel. A lot of ads on the screen. Hero rich from all these extra ads. I got hit thrice. Wow, dude, you got hit 3 times? You're supposed to only get hit twice. It's kind of weird that you got hit 3 times. I like you all too much, bros. Work is slow and risky, and now I'm dumping 5 to 10 G at a time into things and dumping them into 2% gain, absolutely trying to maintain that 2% a day average bill or to pay the bills. Kenneth, man, if you can average 2% a day, I'm telling you right now, you are killing it, man. If you can average 2% a day, you are doing amazing. Okay, bro, didn't mean to hide you. All right, good, he's still here. Whoo, whoo. Dark Bro, fat finger to everybody over there. Justice Thumb, got him. Anyone seen the movie or new series, Leaving the World Behind? I have not. One Forte ad. I will give you a Forte ad right now, guys. Kia Forte, very good car. Make sure to go buy it. I own one. So a little funny story from work last night. Walked in to clock in for my shift. My store manager was sitting there in the break room. I was laughing with some folks. I walked up to him. I raised my fist to give him a fist bump while he must have had a really bad look on my, I must have had a really bad look on my face because he thought I was going to hit him, and he backed up and flinched, and I said, please don't hit me. Dang, man. Dark Bro, be nice to these people. My goodness. Dark Bro's boss. Dark Bro's manager. Shout out to you. Dark Bro's not going to hit you. Yeah, that guy must be having a bad day or something, dude. If he thinks people are really out to get him like that. He's probably, Dark, you should probably do something nice for that guy. Take him a cookie or bring him a coffee or something and be like, dude, just want to make sure you're doing all right. Anybody that's flinching like that, somebody coming to give him a fist bump they're on edge, dude. They're on edge. Not good to be on edge, man. Osmo up 21%. We will look at Osmo in the second live stream if you want to, Robert. Absolutely. Dark Bro, no bully coworkers. Yeah, man. I wish KuCoin was still, Dude, Luke, me too, man. Because KuCoin coin right now, KCS, has gone from 350 lows. It's gone from 350 lows to above $13 per coin today. KuCoin is absolutely, it's ripping over the last month. It's crazy, dude. Bro, I was nice. I've never done anything like that. It was just hilarious because I'm like sitting here laughing. Why all of a sudden when I punch someone in the face? Yeah, dude. Well, you would because some people are insane. Some people are insane, Dark Bro. They just might. Guys, it's got a $1 billion market cap. Luke, man, well, yeah, if you're talking about KuCoin's doing phenomenal over the last month. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon with a live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. Don't forget to share that Amazon link with everybody you know. Literally, it's no extra money for them, no extra money for you if you use it. It simply generates a commission because they think that I drove the traffic to Amazon, so they're willing to give a percentage. So make sure to check that out, guys. Grab some bro merch if you want to, but let's do some shout outs, and then of course we'll be back in a couple of hours here. Shout out to Luke, man. Enjoy your afternoon. Peak of power. See you later. Kombu, see you later, man. Luke C, Black Sheep, see you later. Roulette Wheel, have a great afternoon. Suzuki, Dark Bro, Damon, man. Use a VPN. Yeah, you can use a VPN. I mean, you can. I don't know if it's necessarily, it's gray area. Let's put it that way. Giovanni, man, have a great day. We got Dark Bro, man. Enjoy it. Giovanni, Luke C, Dark Bro, C-Wit, Luke C. No, lost my chat. There it is. Mr. Normus, see you later, man. Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Peak of Power, yes. Dark Bro, DMC, Giovanni, DD214, Black Sheep, Luke C, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.